we are inviting all the kids to please come and join us here in our event area for our arts and crafts activities sa lahat ng ating kids na nasa ball pool, Marie Curie, Racing Kid, Trampoline, and of course, air track area. We are all inviting you all here in our event area para sa ating activities sa lahat ng ating kids na gustong sumali or gustong gumawa ng ating kite for today. Sa lahat ng ating kids, once again, sa lahat ng ating kids na nasa sandpit na area. Come on, kids! Magpipilang si Ate Karen ng 10 seconds. Sa lahat ng gustong sumama, dapat nandito na lahat sa ating event area in the count of 10, 9, 8, 1. Once again, sa lahat ng ating kids na gusto pa pong sumama, pwede pa po tayo pumunta dito sa ating event area. Alright, kids, hi! When I say hep hep, you shout hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Very good. Alright, kids, let's raise your two hands and then shake, 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 and then arms sideward, and then shake, 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 and then arms to the hips, and then let's shake your hips. Shake, shake. Ang event team. My name is Ate Karen, together with my partner, Ate Carol, and of course, Ate Del. Say hi to the kids. Hi! Yan, very good, kids. My question si Ate Karen, sino naman dito ang love, ang dancing? Sino magaling mag-dance? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Wow! Halos lahat sa kanila magaling ang mag-dance. Kaya naman, may ituturo si Ate Karen na 2 basic steps. Okay lang ba yun? Yes! First step natin, you need to copy Ate Karen. First step, you need to clap twice downward. Patingin nga ako kung paano mag-clap. Yan, very good. And then second step, you need to clap upward twice. One more time. And this time, let's clap. Up and turn around. Very good. One more time, kids. Good job. Ang gagaling ng ating kids. Thank you so much, kids. Let's sit down. Dahil ipapakita namin kung paano ba yung game or yung ating activity for today. Okay, kids. Sino na dito excited? Kung ano ba yung activity natin? Wow, lahat sila. Kaya naman ipapakita namin ni Ate Carol kung ano ba yung activity natin today. Kids, ang gagawin natin ay, what is this? It's a kite or saranggola. Kaya naman, ipapakita ni Ate Carol kung ano ba yung mga materials natin ngayon. Ano ba yung materials natin, Ate Carol? First is, meron tayo, it's a paper but it's called kite sail. And then next is, meron tayo mga, what is this? It's, oh, very good. And then meron din tayo yarn. And then of course, meron din tayong glue. And meron tayong mga ribbon. And then after that, meron din tayong lastly, mga cotton colored paper. Okay. Ngayon naman, i-demonstrate, ipapakita ni Ate Carol kung ano ba yung step-by-step natin sa ating activity. First is, meron tayo, ano ba to? What is this? It's a kite sail. And then first step is, didikitan natin siya ng mga cotton colored paper. Yan. Bibigyan kayo ni Ate Carol ng mga materials and then ididikit natin sa ating kite sail. Any color you want, kids. Any color you want. And the next step is, sa likod niya, ididikit natin yung ating straw para tumuwid yung ating kite, magsilbing backbone niya. And the next step is last. Yan. Last step is, ipapasok natin yung yarn sa butas and itatali natin siya. And then lastly, didikitan natin siya ng mga ribbon para magsisilbing may tail na ang ating kite. Alright, are you ready for our activity? Yes, ready na ang ating kids. Kaya naman, let's all stand up sa ating mga chairs. Kasi nga, pwede pa po tayong humabol at pumunta dito sa ating event area. Alright, kids? May mga materials na ba lahat? Okay, let's wait for others dahil wala pang mga chairs yung ibang kids natin. Hi! Ganito po, any color you want, ganito po yung magiging design niya. O, like this kay Ate Karen. Yan, dahil meron na lahat, you can start na po. You can start your kite.
Yan, very good. Lagyan mo mag-
You can start your kite.
Yan, tapos
Yung mga glue, okay lang yan, share tayo. Share po tayo sa ating glue. Make sure lang, kids, na yung pagdidikitan natin yung walang tandikit or walang double-sided tape.
Mami,
Okay?
dito po kayo maglagay ng glue. Dito po,
Yan.
sa white.
Yung wala pong mga double-sided tape yung didikitan natin. Alright, kids, let's start na. Let's start our activity. Like this kay Ate Karen. You can copy Ate Karen's guide. Ganito po. Then of course, parents and guardians, pwede po natin samahan yung ating mga kids sa ating activity. Please, bonding na rin po para sa kanila. Alright? Yan. Okay, kids. Let us all start. Very good. Ang gagaling ng ating kids. Ang creative. Ang gagaling ng kids natin. Very intelligent.
Go. Sige, papunta ganun.
Yan. Very good. And of course, thank you sa ating mga parents and guardians. Talagang tinutulungan natin yung mga kids natin sa kanilang activity. Yan. Very good. Very good ng ating kids. Sino na dito yung mga tapos na sa ating first step? May tapos na po ba sa ating first step? Raise your hands. Raise your hands pag tapos na sa first step natin. Wow! Can I see your kite? Patingin nga ako ng mga kite natin. Can you raise your kite? Titingnan ni Ate Karen. Wow! Ang ganda naman ng kite. Very good. Ang galing naman ng ating mga kids. Very good ng ating kids. Okay, kids, yung mga tapos na, let's wait for others. Hintayin natin yung mga kids na iba pang hindi pa tapos.
Baligtad po, ma'am.
Para sabay-sabay po tayo gumawa ng ating kite. Yan, very good. Yung mga kids natin na wala sa glue, hinam na lang po tayo sa ibang kids. Hinaman na lang po tayo sa ating.
Ito, baby, ah.
Very good job. Gagaling ng ating kids. O, sino na tapos na? Raise your kite, raise your hands. If tapos na, raise your hands. Wow, si baby girl. Kanina pa tapos si ate. Very good. Raise your hands. Tapos na. Wow! Ang ganda. Very good. O, perfect.
Wala, dikit. Upo ka na.
Yan. O, sino na tapos na dito sa ating middle? Or sa center?
Dikitan ulit natin.
O, tapos side.
Dikitan natin.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Very good. Ang ganda naman ng kite ng ating kids. But, wait lang po. If meron na pong mga materials sa next step, wait lang po. Let's wait for Ate Karen's instruction. Okay, kids, habang naghihintay tayo sa ating mga ate dito sa ating center, may question si Ate Karen para sa inyo. Sino dito ang naka-experience na magpalipad ng ating kite? Raise your hands. Wow! Halos lahat sila naka-experience ng magpalipad ng kite. Sino naman dito ang nakagawa na ng kite, yung mismong kite? Sino ang nakagawa ng kite? Nakapagpalipad lang? Yung mismong nakagawa ng kite, yung mismong kite natin na pinapalipad. Si baby girl, very good. Ang galing naman. May question si Ate Karen. Saan natin madalas pinapalipad yung kite natin? Sa windy day? Pero saan place madalas? Sa labas or sa park? Siyempre. And of course, minsan sa bukid, yung mga probinsya. Yan. Tapos na po ba lahat? Are you done? Yes. O, done na lahat? Are you done? Oh, wait lang. Let's wait for Kuya. Can you raise your kite? Patingin nga si Ate Karen. Can you raise your kite? Yung mga tapos na? Wow! Very good! Malapit na tayong matapos sa ating kite. But, let's wait for others. Let's wait for atin muna bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating second step. Okay kids, let's sit down lang. Didikitan natin siya ng straw. Okay kids, flip nyo yung ating kite sail. Flip nyo yung mga kite sail ninyo. Doon sa may double-sided tape. Okay kids, let's raise your two hands muna. Raise your two hands. Habang binibigay ni Ate Del at ni Ate Carol yung ating mga materials. Okay kids, let's raise your two hands. Raise your two hands and then shake, shake, shake. Raise your two hands and shake, shake, shake. Wala po munang gagalaw ng ating mga materials. Let's wait for Ate Carol's instruction. Let's raise your two hands and shake, shake, shake. Raise your two hands and shake, shake, shake. May mga materials na po ba lahat? Yes. So now, you can start na po. Idikit yung ating mga paper straws. You can see, meron po tayo dyan. Mga double-sided tape. Ididikit po natin siya sa ating double-sided tape. Tanggalin na po natin yung double-sided tape sa likod. Yan. Parents and guardians, you can assist your kids po. Pwede po natin silang samahan. Shake, shake, shake. Patingin niya ako ng mga hands ng ating kids. And then shake, shake, shake. Patingin niya ako ng mga hands ng ating kids. And then shake, 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 kids. Raise your hands and then shake, shake, shake. Raise your hands and then shake, shake, shake. Wala munang gagalaw ng ating mga materials. Wala munang gagalaw ng mga materials natin, kids. Raise your hands. And shake, shake, shake. Raise your hands and shake, 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 kids. Raise your hands. Raise your hands and shake, shake, shake. Alright, kids, dahil may mga materials na lahat. May mga materials na ba lahat, kids? Yes! Ano ba yung third step? Last step natin is, ipapasok natin yung ating yarn sa ating kite sail. Like this. Ipapasok natin siya sa kite sail and then itatali po natin yung ating yarn para mas-secure yung ating tail. Like this. Kay Ate Karen, look at Ate Karen's kite. Ganito, like this. Wow, very good. And of course, thank you so much parents sa ating pagtulong sa ating mga kids. Once na nadikit na or natali na natin yung ating yarn, pwede na natin dikitan ng ating mga ribbon. Yan ang ating last step. Didikitan natin siya ng ating ribbon sa ating yarn para may design ng ating tail. Yan. Very good yung ating mga kids. Very good. And like this. Mga ribbon, may double-sided po yan sa ating likod. Tanggalin lang po natin yung color white. And then, idikit po natin sa ating yarn. Yan, very good. Yan, very good. Sino nang tapos na? May mga tapos na ba? Very good yung mga kids natin. Ang creative. Like this, tingnan nyo lang yung kay Ate Karen. As kite. Yan, very good ah. Yan, very good. Are you done? Done na si baby girl. Let's sit down. Can I see your kite? Patingin nga si Ate Karen ng ating kite. Can I see Ate... Wow! Very good. Ang ganda naman ng kite ni baby girl. Dahil dyan, let's wait for others, okay? Let's sit down muna. Raise your kite like this. In 3, 2, 1. Like this. Wow! Ang galing ng ating kids. Dahil tapos na ang lahat, let's all stand up. Dahil mag-take tayo ng group picture and then dito tayo sa ating harapan. And then let's sit down. And then face kay Ate Karen. Let's sit down, kids. Let's all sit down, kids. Let's all sit down. Yung mga cameras. Okay, kids. meron tayong practicean. Hi! Hep, hep! Hooray! Very good. Dahil dyan, meron tayong practicean. Pag sinabi ni Ate Karen ng Kizuna, you will shout, hooray! And then, i-erase niyo yung mga kahit na ginawa natin. Alright, let's practice! In 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Hooray! One more time, kids, but this time, parents and guardians, I encourage you to please dito po tayo sa ating event area and then use your selfie mode po para kasama po tayong lahat sa ating group picture. Selfie mode po. Yan po yan. Very good. Thank you so much po, mommies and daddies. Thank you so much. Okay, kids, look at the camera. In the count of 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! One more time! Kitsuna! Hooray! Thank you so much, kids. Let's all sit down. My question kasi, Ate Karen, and of course, parents and guardians, thank you so much po sa lahat po na nag-take ng group picture. We encourage you to please post your group picture on any social media platform with the hashtag KidsinaPH. Okay, kids, hi! Sino naman dito ang gustong mag-birthday sa Kidsuna? Raise your hands! Siyempre, lahat naman ng kids gustong mag-birthday sa Kidsuna. Kaya naman sabihin niyo sa mga parents ninyo na ang Kidsuna San Lazaro ay open for birthday packages. For more information or inquiries, please don't hesitate to ask our friendly partners. And of course, once again, parents and guardians who took a groupie picture, please post your groupie picture with the hashtag KidsunaPH. Alright kids, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ating activity? Yes? Are you having fun here at Kidsuna? Dahil dyan, yung card ninyo, sa inyo na yan as souvenir kay Kidsuna. Thank you so much kids for joining. Let's say bye to the event and bye! Thank you so much for joining!